large. Now if I tell you a number, say 4315. Okay, let me write this number over here. 4315. Now if I have to make it large, how will I make it? I will write in this form. 4000. Since 4 is in thousands place, so I will write 4 first digit, and then for 1000 I am going to write 3 digits, right? Then 3 is in which place value? It is in hundreds place. So plus 300. 1 is in tens place, plus 10, and 5 is in ones place, plus 5. Now since this is a small number, so it's very easy for you. I think in class 3 also you must have done the same thing. We are going to do it for larger number. Okay. Now in this class you are learning numbers till 9 digit. So we will be dealing with such kind of numbers like large numbers. Okay. Now I have already taken one example. As you can see here, this example is given from your book itself. Fine. If you go through your book, where the expanded form is mentioned, the topic, you will find these examples. Fine. Now, how to write this number in the expanded form, in the large form? As you can see here, I have already put commas in order to separate the periods, right? Now, we will again try to read this number. Let's place this number in the place value chart, okay? Now 8 is in ones place, 2, 7, 5, 2, 2, 6. As you can see from the place value chart, we will start from the highest place value, okay? So here highest place value is 6 10 lakhs. Now 6 10 lakhs means what? 60 lakhs, right? So we are going to write this number in the expanded form. I am going to start from here. 6 lakhs. For 6, this is 6 10 lakhs, that is 60 lakhs. Now for 6 10 lakhs, how am I going to write in the number 60? That is 6060. Okay. And then rest of the place value will have 0 digit. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros I am going to put. Then addition sign, plus sign. Then we will find the place value of 2 here. So 2 is in lakhs place. 2, and then rest of the places will have 0. So we will write here plus 2 lakhs. Okay. Then we come to the next digit, that is 2. It is in which place value? 10,000's place value. So 2 10,000 means 20,000, right? So we will write this again. 20 for 1,000, 3 zeros. Right? Now we have 5. The digit 5 is in thousands place. So I am going to write over here plus 5,000. Okay. Then 7 is in which place value? Hundreds place. 2 is in tens place. So 2 tens means 20. And 8 is in ones place. So 8 into 1 is 8 ones. Alright. So this number, which is in compact form, we can, if you want to enlarge it, if you want to make it in the expanded form, then we will be writing in this way. Now, for you to understand, what you can do is, you can write down the place value on top of the each digit. Okay, so that will help you to write the number in expanded form. Alright, as I have done, every time you will not be drawing the place value chart, but this place value chart, always keep it in your mind. Okay, and then with the help of that, you can easily write the expanded form numbers. Fine. Now there are many exercises based on this topic. It is given in your book. So which you will be doing in your copy, right? Now we move on to the, I hope you have understood how to do this. See, so how, this number is exactly 62 lakhs 25,728. So this we have written in the large form. Now we move to the next topic. The next topic is what we have done just now. We have written a number in large form. Now the same number, large number, we are going to make it short. That is, we will compact it. Okay. So let's take one more example. The example is, say, we will rub here, this one. Now we are going to do, the next topic is compact form. Okay. And example, we will do 20 lakhs plus 4 lakhs. Okay. Plus 50,000. Okay. Then we have 3,000. 3,000, right? Plus 900 plus 20 plus 5. Now, this is a number which is given in a large form, and this number we are going to write in the short form or in a compact form, right? Now see here, we will see, try to see each digit. Now the last digit is 5, that is, this digit will be in the ones place. So we will start writing the number. First we will start from the right hand side, from the lowest place value. Okay, so we will write here 5. Then you see in the tens place, the number is, the digit is 2. Then we'll place 2. Then the hundreds place, you can see it is 9. Now this is one period completed. One period is completed. Okay. Then we move to the next. 3,000. This 3 is in thousands place. So 3 we will write next. Then 5 is in 50,000. That is 10,000 place. Then we will write 5. Again we will put comma. Why? Because now this is thousands period completed. Okay. Then we have 4. 4. And then you can see here 2. So how shall we read this number? We will read this number 24,000, lakhs 53,925. So here also you can write, see, 5, 2, 9, 3, 5, then 4, 2. So with the help of place value chart also you can read the number. It is 24 lakhs 53,925. So a large number, now you have compact. You have made it short. Okay. So this is the next topic. Now based on this, again you have in your exercise, I think it is given in page number 4 and 5. You will find some exercises. Question number 6 and 7. I will be writing on the board the homework. You can take down from there. Okay. So based on this, you will be doing this sums. Fine. Now we move to the next topic. Our next topic is, what is predecessors? Now I am going to write this word over here and then I am going to ask you a few questions, right? written here two terms, predecessors and successors. Now, if you remember in class 2, 1, 3 also, you must have learned about the numbers like after numbers and before numbers. Now, what is after number of 10? It is 11. Then what is before number of 20? 19. Okay, so like that you can understand what are after number and before number. After numbers are the next number, just the next number, and before numbers are just the next before numbers, just the previous numbers. Okay, so from the word you can understand pre means just the before number. Fine. So we are going to do the same thing, but the terms we are using is a different one. Like in predecessor, before number, for before number we are using predecessors, and for after number we are using successors. Right? Now, in other word, you can understand in this way also. For predecessors means -1. Any number, any large number which is given to you, you will just subtract 1 from the ones place. And in successors, any number which is given to you, you will add 1 in the ones place. Whatever digit is given in the ones place, you will just add ones in case of successors, and you will just subtract or -1 in case of predecessors. Let's take one example, okay? Say 49 lakhs 53,928. Now you can see here, if I have to write the predecessors of this number, what I will do. As I told you, predecessors means always -1. So we will subtract 1. So if I subtract 1 from here, so here it is 8. 8 minus 1 is what? 7. So I am going to only change the number in the ones place, not in the rest of the places. Okay, rest of the places will remain as it is. Okay. So the answer over here will be 7, 2, 9, 3, 5, 4, 9. Okay, so rest of the places will have the same number, same digits, but only in case of ones place it is going to change. And in successors what will happen? 1 will be added in the ones place. So it was 8 here. If I add 1, then what will be the number over here? It will be 8 plus 1 is 9, 2, 9, then 5, 3 and 49. Okay. So this is going to be the number. Fine. Now this is quite an easy example. Now what will happen if in case if a number is having 9 over here? If in this number the last digit is 9, then what will be the predecessors and what will be the successors? Look here. Predecessors, as I told you, it is going to be -1. That is 9 minus 1 will be 8 over here. Rest of the digit will remain the same. But what if in case of successors? In successors what will happen? In successors means we add 1. Okay. So I am going to add 1 here. Now if I add 1 here, so 9 plus 1 becomes what? 10. So I am going to write here 0. And the carry is over here. So the carry over is going to be added in the next place value. So the answer will become 930. Okay. So whenever you get 9 in the ones place, then be little careful, because there you will be adding the carryovers to the next place value. Okay. So you may get certain question. So don't get confused. You have to follow this method. Right. So I hope you have understood the 4 topics what I have explained just now. Expanded form, compact form, predecessors and successors. Now based on this, I'm going to give you few questions. I think you all are having your book, and from the book only I have given you certain questions based from your exercise book. Okay, so I'm going to write down over here the homework which you will note down, and also I'm going to attach the page numbers which are there in the book, and exercise number also from the textbook. Okay. Okay. Now as you can see, I have already mentioned the homework on the board. You will be doing question number 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 4 and 5 is based on place value. You will be able to do that. And 6 and 7 is based on expanded form and compact form, right? Then you will do question number 8 and 9 from page number 5, which is based on predecessors and successor. This homework you will be doing either in your maths classroom copy if you have, otherwise you can do it in any of the rough notebook which is available at home. Okay, so till then this much only, and I will be back again with the next video, and I will teach you there the next 2 topics which are left. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.